Hello together, it's me, Extruder, and today I tell you how disassemble the front plastic from scooter Silver Blade. Let's see.
We have to unscrew all of them. Okay, this removed. I have this against rattling and noise, so it's silent here. Connected here, so when I switch off the ignition, the voltage go here, and I use this cable to charge my mobile phone what installed here for navigation, for example.
So now we have to disassemble connectors. 1, 2, 3, 4.
One of my subscriber asking me what kind of hand lamp we have. Let's check. So this type. Nice. Osram lamp. Chinese one. 35 watt. Now we continue, and we have to disassemble all plastic on the top of the steering. This, so screw, 2 clips, clip here, and this is the guidance. Okay, guidance here, unclipped, and this we have to 2 clips and screw. Yep, done.
Okay. Okay.
Perfect.
One clip here, and finally that's all. Have to disassemble.
This looks like temperature sensor.
I have to first install this plate and screw 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Connect sockets and then fix it to avoid some rattling and noise. For install instrumental panel, you have to put it like this, here this, and 1 clips, then screw 1, here bolt, here screw, clip, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. For this use small screw, 16 mm length. Then screw front panel like this, and with 4 screws, also 16 mm length.
If you heard some squeezing noise between cable harness, or for example this area, you see this result of the wearing, very often I use special automotive tape. Actually I don't have the real one, I create by myself. What you need for that, it's just old jeans or t-shirt, doesn't matter. Then
Tape. Just glue it. Okay. Then just cut the rest. Very nice. Squeezing isolation material. We have the rattling.
windshield here, fix it to the 5 bolts M6. Then this side decor, you have to use, look at this, yeah, this panel, like this, and you have to use the plastic boss longer screw, 19mm long, because of the plastic, and have to use completely this length, and short screw 16mm in metal clamp. Have to start from these two clips like this. Install front panel. First of all, electrical connection. In my case, it's a USB charger here, and then hand lamp.
Okay, done. So, bolt, one in the middle, the side, the side. I have to screw 4 points from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then
Here, left, right. Here, left, right. This screw and other side should be not screwing with main front panel, but with the core bezel, with this one. Stress, just check it. So I have a lot of dampers, but I'm not sure that it's really required, but I already have it. So for install this bezel, we have to start from the bottom, here, yep, and then like this, yep, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 here. For this panel I have to use 4 screws. Small one here, 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 and here. For assemble this bezel, here
it's nothing special, but I have some hint. Here we have rubber, and also rubber in this neck of the tank. For easy assemble, I just put some soap here. For this panel, possible screw only 1, 2, 3 screws. Fourth one, yeah, this one, it should be screwing after install this part. So the 3 parts screwed together. So finally we assemble all from plastic, from silver blade. If you are interested in how repair the silver blade, you could subscribe in my channel, and see you next time. Bye.